Welcome to Math Mantra channel. I am Dr. Shashi. In the continuation of UFD, today we are doing Einstein's irreducibility criteria. Let fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on plus anx की power n be a polynomial in Zx if P is a prime element such that P divides a0, P divides a1, P divides a2, so on, P divides an minus 1. Means P divides all the coefficients except an, and P does not divide an, but P square also does not divide a0. Then fx is an irreducible polynomial in Qx. Right? This is a sufficient condition, not the necessary one. We can take the example for it. That is, let fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 2. This is an irreducible polynomial as p equal to 2, we see that p divides 4, p divides 2, p does not divide 1, and p square does not divide 2. So by Einstein's criteria, this function, that is x square minus 4x plus 2, that is polynomial, is irreducible in Qx. Also, x cube minus x plus 1 is also irreducible over Q. Because otherwise it is reducible, then it has a root in Q. Let a over b be a root of fx, where a b belongs to z, b is not equal to 0, and GCD of a and b is 1. Then a cube over b cube minus a over b plus 1 equal to 0. This implies a cube minus ab square plus b cube equal to 0. And so a cube equal to b square into a minus b. Or we can say that b square divides a cube. That is, b square divides a cube into 1, but a and b are co-prime, therefore b divides 1. So b is equal to plus minus 1. And from here we can say that a over b is equal to plus minus a. Substituting the value of b, we get a over b equal to plus minus a. Now, if a over b equal to a, we have a cube minus a plus 1 equal to 0, and a into a square minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, and a into a square minus 1 equal to minus 1, so a divides 1. So a divides 1, and therefore a equal to plus minus 1. Now a equal to plus minus 1, b equal to plus minus 1 implies a over b is also plus minus 1. Using this value of a over b in this equation, that is a cube over b cube minus a over b plus 1 equal to 0, we get 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, which is not possible. Therefore, x cube minus x plus 1 is reducible over Q. But we note that the Einstein criteria does not applicable here, as for there exists no p such that p divides 1. So Einstein criteria is not applicable. Therefore, we can say that Einstein criteria is sufficient but not necessary. So let's prove this Einstein criteria now. So proof of this Einstein's criteria. Let Zx is an integral domain with unity. Zx is the A ring of polynomials in X is an integral domain with unity. Therefore, Zx is UFD and Qx, that is the field of polynomials over the rationals, is its quotient field. Then we can assume that Fx is primitive, because for taking out the GCD of coefficient does not disturb the hypothesis that P does not divide An. We are to prove that Fx is irreducible in Qx. अब मान लेते हैं कि it is reducible in Qx. Fx is equal to the product of two polynomials of positive degrees in Qx. अब अगर reducible है, so it will be the product of two polynomials of positive degree in Qx, and thus Fx can be expressed as product of two polynomials belongs to the Zx. So Fx equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on anx की power n, and that is equal to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus so on brxr into c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus so on csx की power s, where b, I and ci are the elements of z and rs is greater than 0. Equating the coefficients on both sides of 1, we get a0 is equal to b0 c0, an equal to br cs. Now p divides a0, so p divides b0 c0, as a0 is equal to b0 c0. So p divides b0 or p divides c0, because p is a prime. Since p square does not divide a0, therefore P cannot be a divisor of both B0 and C0. So P cannot be a divisor of both B0 and C0. Now let P divides B0, then P cannot divide C0. Also, P cannot divide all the coefficients B0, B1, so on Br. Thus, this is so because if P divides any of Bi for I varying from 1 to R, then P will divide Ai, right? Then P will divide Ai for each I, okay? But which is not so, as P does not divide An. So let us assume that BL is the first among B's which is not divisible by P, that is L is greater than or equal to 1 and less than n. Therefore, P divides Bi for each I, where 0 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to L minus 1, and P does not divide BL. Therefore, from 1, AL will be equal to B0 CL plus B1 CL minus 1 plus B2 CL minus 2, so on, plus BLC naught, or BLC naught equal to AL minus of in the bracket B0 CL plus B1 CL minus 1 plus B2 CL minus 2 plus so on BL minus 1 into C1. Since L is less than N, therefore P divides AL. Now we can say that P divides Bi for I varying from 0 to L minus 1. And so P divides B0, P divides B1, P divides B2, and so on, P divides BL minus 1. And from here we can say that P divides B0 CL, P divides B1 CL minus 1, P divides B2 into CL minus 2, so on up to P divides BL minus 1 into C1. So we can say that P divides BL C naught, right? As BLC naught is the AL minus B naught CL minus B1 CL minus 1 plus so on plus BL minus 1 C1. अब P अगर AL B0 CL और सोन BL माइनस 1 C1 को डिवाइड करता है तो P उनके सम को और उनके डिफरेंस को भी डिवाइड करेगा. So P divides BL C0. But P is the prime element, so P divides BL or P divides C0, which is not possible as we have assumed that P does not divide C0, right? Also P does not divide BL. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore, Fx is irreducible over Q. Hence the Einstein's irreducibility criterions proof. Let's do this example which states that an irreducible polynomial need not be an irreducible element, right? We will take the example that irreducible polynomial need not be an irreducible element. So consider a polynomial fx equal to 3x square plus 3. Now, since this fx cannot be expressed as the product of two positive degree polynomials in zx, so fx is irreducible polynomial over z. ठीक है ना? 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 को हम दो की प्रोडक्ट में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते in the zx. Therefore, it is an irreducible polynomial. Now, this fx equal to 3x square plus 3, that is equal to 3 into x square plus 1. So, that is the product of two polynomials, that is g into h, where g is 3 and h is x square plus 1. Since the only units of zx are 1 and minus 1, zx में जो units होते हैं वो 1 and minus 1 होते हैं. Therefore, g and h are non-units in zx. तो ये नॉन यूनिट्स हो गए दोनों. Thus fx has been expressed as a product of two non-units, and so 3x square plus 3 is not an irreducible element in zx. Okay, so every irreducible polynomial need not be the irreducible element. Now next example is, that is fx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus xy is irreducible over C, that is the field of complex numbers. अब हमने ये प्रूव करना है. We are taking this example that fx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus xy is irreducible over the C, that is the field of complex numbers. So मान लेते हैं कि वो reducible है. Reducible है तो इसके factors बना सकेंगे. So x cube plus y cube plus xy is equal to x plus ay plus b into x square plus cxy plus dy square plus lx plus my plus n, where all a, b, c, d, l, m, n belongs to the complex numbers. Now, for x is equal to 0, if we get y cube equal to ay plus b bracket में dy square plus my plus n. Y cube is equal to ay plus b into dy square plus my plus n. This implies ad equal to 1, b equal to m equal to n equal to 0. Equating the coefficients, we get this result. Similarly, taking y equal to 0, we will get L equal to 0. Thus, what we get? Fx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus xy equal to x plus ay into dy square plus cxy plus x square, right? So, which is observed as right hand side is homogeneous, whereas the left hand side is non-homogeneous. Thus our supposition is wrong, hence fx is irreducible over the C, that is the field of complex numbers. Now let's do the next example that says if minus 2 iota is a root of fx equal to x4 plus 3x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8, then solve this equation completely. Right? So let's see. Since x is equal to minus 2 iota is a root of fx equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 2 iota is also a root of fx equal to 0. Therefore, fx is divisible by these two factors, that is x minus 2 iota into x plus 2 iota, that is equal to x square plus 4. By actual division, we get fx equal to x square plus 4 into x square plus 3x plus 2. And this is equal to x square plus 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Hence, minus 2 iota, minus 1, minus 2 are the roots of fx. Simple. Okay. Now, let's do the example next. That is, show that the polynomial 8x cube minus 6x minus 1 is irreducible over Q. Show that polynomial at 8x cube minus 6x minus 1 is irreducible over Q. Let fx is equal to 8x cube minus 6x minus 1. Replacing x by x minus 1, we get fx minus 1 is equal to 8 into x minus 1 the cube minus 6x minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to 8 into x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 minus 6x plus 6 minus 1. And that is equal to 8x cube minus 24x square plus 18x, right, minus 3, and that is minus 3 plus 18x minus 24x square plus 8x cube, writing in the ascending powers. Then compare it with a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube. Then a0 equal to minus 3, a1 equal to 18, and a2 is equal to minus 24, and a3 is equal to 8. Now p equal to 3 is a prime such that p divides a0, p divides a1, p divides a2. ठीक है, 3 इन सभी तीनों को डिवाइड कर रहा है, और p डज नॉट डिवाइड a3, p जो है वो 8 को डिवाइड नहीं करता. Also p square यानी कि 9 does not divide a0. Okay, so this also does not divide, p square does not divide a0. Therefore, by Einstein's criteria, fx minus 1 therefore by Einstein criteria, f of x minus 1 is irreducible over q. If possible, let us assume that fx is not irreducible over q. Therefore, there exists gx and hx belongs to qx, where degree of gx is greater than 1 and degree of hx is also greater than 1, such that fx is equal to gx into hx. So fx minus 1 is equal to gx minus 1 into hx minus 1. As degree of gx minus 1 is greater than 1, degree of h of x minus 1 is also greater than 1. This implies fx minus 1 is not irreducible over q, which is not possible as we have proved earlier. Hence, fx is reducible over q. Okay.